No, we're replacing some motor mounts today. Engine mounts. We've got a one-off set that look great. Have a little special something on them. We'll get to that later. But we're contemplating the best way to approach this, and I think I've got a game plan, and I'm gonna start taking some bolts out and see what we can do. Ultimately, worst case, we drop the subframe a little bit. However, I don't think that's going to be needed, because I think we'll be able to go back to our Volkswagen ways and just move some stuff out of the way enough to wiggle them out and wiggle the new ones in. And then we'll have a really stiff Supra, which should yield to awesome smoke making. That goes in there. Our prototype engine mounts from BFI for the 2023 Supra that we picked up. These are our special one-off, I don't know if I can say it, but I'm gonna say it, dick butt, machined into them. So they're special, pretty. We're gonna work on getting the OEM mounts out and then swap these guys in and go for a test drive, and hopefully we stiffen everything up properly and don't go through too much trouble to get to where we need to be to get these in. But should be pretty straightforward, and we're gonna get to tearing it apart. Nipple. If the hole fits, just go with it. It should be.
One eternity later.
They're talking to me. I gotta do. The downpipe has been removed from the turbo and pushed slightly up out of the way, and it gave us enough room after removing the bracket for the engine mount to get the mount dropped down through this hole. Now, up here on this driver's side one, which I thought was going to be more difficult, we've actually almost got all the clamps we need to remove it without even removing the bracket. So we're going to try to do that real quick, because I think we'll be able to do it. These obstacles that I wasn't able to see. These, I have a suspicion, may be, I don't know, filled or something, but these are just going to be the standard BFI bushing inside. So it shouldn't matter where we put them, as long as they're facing in the right orientation.
So what you're saying, it doesn't matter which side the dig butt goes on?
I mean, I feel like the dick butt should be under Autry. Let's go in the driver's seat.
I agree.
Slide this guy in. And place our mount, which looks so weird now because the OEM ones fill this void. Now we just have a void with a dick butt. One, two, three, four, one.
Steady.
So we got the mounts in, and they are tightened up against the subframe. However, they are not currently torqued down, because we're going to get the brackets attached to the engine and then lower the engine back down, and then we'll be able to get everything torqued together. But so far, it's going smoothly. We didn't have to remove the subframe.
Now what?
Well, now we gotta see how aggressive it is. Wash up and take it for a spin and see how it feels. And then we'll let Boss Man go rip on it a little bit and see how he likes it.
All right, so the Supra before, you could literally rock the motor in the engine bay like it was on a little swing.
I didn't get a chance to get in front of the car while it was on the dyno, but I'm sure it would have been doing a dance. I have, however, seen it when Audrey's revving it, and it bucks back and forth, and we're about to find out if we're gonna have fillings or if they're gonna be shaken out. I hope they shake out, because it'd be awesome.
Same.
Here we go.
Oh, that's a good difference right there.
Yeah, that feels real good. So I can feel the engine. It's coming through, and it's coming through in a good way. It's not chattery. It's not obnoxious, but you feel one with the car. It's a good feeling. Just mounts.
And now Autry is going to want to go more aggressive because this is their stage 1 setup. So there's 2 more aggression levels that we can go up. So
Feels really direct now. Everything's tight,
yeah, you can hear the transmission a little bit more too.
which, as you may know, is a big thing I love.
Same.
In the R32 and in the Mark 8, we've got the stage 3 inserts on the BFI mounts, and it transmits all the noise. And some people might hate it, but to me it sounds like a straight cut gearbox, and it just sounds like a race car should sound.
I guess turn it off. I don't know. Are you leaving it running or are you turning it off?
Yeah, we were expecting you to go drive it.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
See donuts?
Oh, the motor's not moving?
That's what it means.
Yeah, it doesn't move now.
Well, that wasn't
cool.
the motor.
Huh?
That wasn't the motor.
No, it's not. But on the factory mounts, you can shake this, and the motor goes wiggle, 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 wiggle. So now,
It doesn't really move at all.
It feels.
good, crispy. No, it should have been. All right. You gotta ask me twice, grab this thing.
Where are you doing donuts? I want to watch. That's not.